Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job, and today I have this opening for this company, Marriott International, and this is a 100% a no phone job which doesn't require any degree, any experience. So, let's get into the job details. So, they are looking for data entry clerk and it's a remote based position. It's a full time role, 100% work from home. So, what you will be doing, you will be entering and locate work related information using computers or point of sale systems. You will transmit information or documents using a computer, read and visually verify information in a variety of formats, enter and retrieve information contained in computer databases using a keyboard, mouse, or trackball to update records, files, reservations, and answer inquiries from guests. Verify information in documents or on computer screens, including text, printed forms, and list for accuracy and completeness. Operate standard office equipment other than computers such as telephone, typewriter, fax, photocopier, calculator, and electronic peripherals. Apart from this, follow all company policies and procedures and ensure uniform and personal appearance are clean and professional and maintain confidentiality of proprietary information and protect company assets. You should also develop and maintain positive working relationship with others, support team to reach common goals, and listen and respond appropriately to the concerns of other employees. And ensure adherence to quality expectations and standards, and identify, recommend, develop, and implement new ways to increase organizational efficiency, productivity, quality, safety, or cost saving. Follow all company safety and security policies and procedures. Report accident, injuries, and unsafe work conditions to manager and complete safety training and certifications. So this was the job role, and if we talk about the pay which they're offering for this position is around $25 an hour plus other benefits you get like PDO and minimum of 7 holidays and a 401k plan and other paid parental leave and other reimbursements. So you can go through this job role, which is a 100% no phone job. And if you're interested in this, then please apply for the same. You will find a link for this below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you are looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.